of course, we're disappointed in the sentence, but we'll take instructions as to whether we will go to the Court of Appeal, and I expect to be so instructed. The real issue that everybody's grappling with is when someone has an attempted rape on them and an attempted rape on their wife coming up in their own home, how far can you go to defend yourself? That is, how much can you do to protect your wife and yourself from being sodomized? And that's the real issue in this case. How much force can a rape victim use? And I hope this case doesn't send a message that if you're being raped, in your own home particularly, you have to sort of approach it calmly and with calculation as to how much force I can use, or, as we say, enough force to stop the attacker. He was grabbed and throttled and told he was going to be raped by a stronger man. I don't think in any of you here, if you were in that position, you would distinguish between where are we at in terms of a threat, and I don't think too many people would do, what the officer said, that she would run out and seek help down the street and leave the wife upstairs. Well, right from the beginning, he sort of prepared himself because this whole thing was treated very severely and harshly. Our position is we don't even think he should have been charged. In law, the evidence is the evidence. And the evidence is, this is what he found. He accepted that there was a sexual assault. Whether you're a bit skeptical or not 100%, that's not how our system works. And at the end of the day, it was accepted. He thought that things would go well. And he's always been an optimistic sort of person, perfect citizen, really. And he thought it would go well. And even if it didn't, he felt the end would be the end, and that sentencing could easily end it. And then when the Crown said they were appealing, he knows it's not over. And that had a very bad effect on him. That's why we feel that hopefully a court will see that victims of sexual assaults who protect their wives in their own home should be able to use whatever force it takes to put the attacker down.